Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to type mode locking integral equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to type mode locking integral equation in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and go to the more equation from office.com. Then find and select the mode locking integral. Then click it to insert. Then we can see we type mode locking integral equation in this document very easily. You can edit the equation text or add extra formula. Now I want to add extra formula. Go to the design menu. You can add fraction, script, radical, integral, large operation, etc. Now I added the script. You can change the text. Select the text and change it. Otherwise, you can apply any integral. Now we can see we type and edit the locking integral equation very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.